Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I will tell you how you can sell your photos online. And do you have photo skills or live in a area where images are in demand? Stock photography websites are huge repertories for photographers covering almost every possible subject you could imagine. Advises international living. So how does it work? Photographers can upload their images to any one of a number of a huge database, allowing magazines, editors, designers, and any organizations with a website to buy them. And the beauty of the stock websites, the photos can be sold any number of times. You can continue to make money without any effort. Photography sites to check out include Shutterstock, Photo Shelter, and Getty Images are for starters. And the next topic is how you can create videos, or how can you sell them online. In recent years, YouTube has grown into the go-to source for all manner of videos, courses, and guides. Says International Living. Instructions can monetize their videos by charging a subscription fee or password protection content for paying customers only. This article shares some tips from one real estate, or misplaced the word article, but video estate agents who made $1 million in 1 month on YouTube. Another piece of advice from International Living: get to know the faces that people search for. To find potential search faces, start typing how to your topic into YouTube search bar and notice what phrases are generated in the autofill drop down. Make sure to use the same keywords when you write your video title, description, and tags. And another topic is how you can become a copywriter. Want to earn some great income no matter where you live, a house or by the sea in Latin America, or historic European city, or even a Greek island. Copywriting could be ideal for you. According to the International Living, copywriting is a mega industry ripe with opportunity and yearning for people who can fuel it with fresh marketing messages. And one of the best benefit of the freelance copywriter's lifestyle is that you can get paid in US dollars, yet live virtually anywhere in the world. Express Writers has tips on how you can become a copywriter, and is also a source for jobs. And the next topic is how you can teach English. If you're a native English speaker, you can also you may not realize it, but you already have the number one qualification you need for a fun portable income that can hand you a steady paycheck from anywhere in the world, says International Living. Some sources include gooverseas.com, Teach Away, Teach English Online to Chinese students, itutor.com, iTutor Group, Teach English Online to Taiwanese children and adults, and English Hunt, Teach English on the phone to adult students in Korea. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.